Good morning. It's 9 a.m. and it's time to wake up. I start my day by waking Felix up. He is so happy, just listen to him. After spending some time with Felix, I go downstairs to prepare their food. The boys already had some food in their plates because they have already eaten this morning. Here I made sure everyone gets the same amount. After everyone got their slice, I mashed it up so it would be easier for them to eat it. Let's feed the girls first. Now it's time to feed the boys. Hello there, guinea pigs. Then I noticed that I have to do a refill on their food. It's so beautiful outside. After the girls ate, I took their plate. And it was time to go outside and play. And Felix already went to his girlfriend. For some reason, Felix found this really interesting. Then it was finally time for treats. Felix was interested in that piece of paper, so I decided to trade for it. Lord and Natalie seemed to really enjoy taking the treats out. What is so interesting about this, Felix? If you like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe because my goal is to hit 200 subscribers before summer starts. Hello, Natalie. Oh, look, the robot started. Then I decided to go out for a little bit because the weather was amazing and it was just so beautiful outside. Hello, Lena. Okay, wow, Molly and KJ are also here. Oh my god, I just love flowers. Let's see what the chickens are doing. Look, that bird is making a nest. Some other birds already made a nest right there. After that, I went inside. Hello. While I was editing this video, I noticed that the siblings started fighting. Sasha also really hates Lord for some reason. Oh, hello Natalie. Like, she didn't even let him use the toilet in peace. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and also please let me know in the comments if y'all would like more vlogs with the cats.